Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Priority Inbox in Gmail. If your inbox often feels messy or overwhelming, this feature is going to be a game changer. Priority Inbox helps you automatically organize your emails so that the most important ones show up at the top, making it much easier to stay focused and productive. Let's walk through how to set it up step by step. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, just enter your email and password to log in. Once you're inside Gmail, head to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon, which is the Settings button. When the menu drops down, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you'll notice several tabs running across the top. Don't feel overwhelmed. Today we're only concerned with the Inbox tab. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Inbox settings, look for the option called Inbox Type. This is where the magic happens. From the list of inbox types, select Priority Inbox. The moment you choose this option, Gmail will start reorganizing how your messages are displayed, but you're not limited to the default setup. Right next to the option, you'll see a button to customize. Click it, and you'll be able to decide exactly which types of emails appear in which sections of your inbox. For example, you can set unread emails to show up first, followed by starred messages or important emails. This level of customization gives you full control over how your inbox is structured. Once you've adjusted the sections to your liking, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is very important because if you forget to save, your new layout won't be applied. And that's it. You've successfully set up Priority Inbox in Gmail. From now on, your inbox will automatically highlight the messages that matter most, reducing clutter and helping you focus on what's truly important. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you take better control of your Gmail. If it did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech guides.